So Send It Academy closes, everyone's income disappears, and people are freaking out. I know that feeling all too well. It's terrible. It's like your world suddenly falls apart. You feel like it's not just the income you've lost, but all the time and the relationships and heart and soul that you poured into building that thing. Gone. I've been through this multiple times and lost two separate six-figure incomes from this exact thing. But here's the good news. Every time I came back stronger and built a bigger income than before. When stuff like this happens, you have the opportunity to learn and profit. Here's what I learned that set me up for even more success. 1. In every apparent setback lies the seed of an equal or greater advantage. Tragedy brings awareness, awareness brings reflection, and reflection brings learning. When I lost my first 600-person team, I realized that building an income on $1.50 residuals wasn't the smartest or the fastest way to grow an income. When I decided to build again, I demanded more for myself, and I found a company that paid $60 residual for every customer referral, and that led me to my first six-figure income. When the last company I was in closed in 2016, I promised to never again be in a situation where someone could shut off my income. So I built a company myself with the promise to never do this to anyone else. We've been going strong now for 10 years and have paid out multiple millions of dollars in residual commissions, all on a foundation that's rock solid. The point though is losing an income makes you be much more careful about what you decide to partner up with in the future. And this is a gift, and it's an essential gift if you want to build a real residual income. After having this stuff happen to me over and over and watching the same thing happen to other people in other companies over and over and over, I also promised to never again be in a model where my income was based on the future hopes of people maybe deciding to go to work. I decided that my family deserved fair compensation for my efforts right now. So I traded the downline for a model I call income in my own hands, so I could be sure to get paid now, just in case something ever were to happen again in the future. Send It Academy reps who endure this challenge will come out stronger on the other side, realizing that the dream was always so much more powerful than the company. They too can decide to demand more for their future efforts and find an unshakable foundation to build their future on. They can also learn to gain more control over their income by shifting to a better model. It's my understanding that Send It Academy paid $5 residual for every referral and only 50 cents for every residual customer in the downline. This is easy to beat in 2026, which means many Send It Academy reps will likely build a much bigger income with a much smaller team in a much shorter amount of time with a better model. Bottom line, many reps have been through this before and come out better on the other side. Hard? Yes. Uncommon? Unfortunately not. Stay strong, keep the faith, mourn if you need to mourn, but get back on the horse as soon as you possibly can. And if you'd like to see the solution I built to make sure this would never happen to me again, head on over to onlinegoldrush.com. Thanks for watching. Leave me your thoughts and comments down below, and whatever you do, always go for your dreams.